What is llama.cpp, the C++ inference engine that made run a frontier model on my laptop actually possible? Georgi Gerganov, March 10th, 2023, MIT, about 125,000 GitHub stars. The origin: Georgi Gerganov, Bulgarian ML engineer, built Whisper.cpp first, a C++ port of OpenAI Whisper. Then MUSA released the original Llama weights. March 9th, 2023, Gerganov's first llama.cpp commit. March 10th, one day later. The GGUF file format. GGUF equals ggml universal file. Introduced August 2023, replaced the older ggml container. Single file. Weights plus tokenizer plus metadata plus chat template plus arch info. One download, runs anywhere. Real file name, deepseek-fig 3-0324.q4_k_m.gguf. K-quants, the killer feature, merged June 5th, 2023, pull request 1684 by Iwan Kawrakow. Blockwise mixed precision inside each tensor. Q2k, 2.56 bits per weight, Q4k, 4.5, Q5k, 5.5, Q6k, 6.5. What quantization actually buys you? A 70 billion parameter model. In FP16, about 140 gigabytes. In Q4KM, about 40 gigabytes. Fits in a 48 gig M series Mac. Perplexity trade-off, within 1% of full precision. That's the compression story. Backends: CPU with SIMD AVX, AVX2, AVX-512, AMX on x86 Neon, SVE, SME2 on ARM, CUDA, Metal, Vulkan, ROCm for AMD, SYCL for Intel, Web GPU, RPC for distributed, 12 backends, 1 binary. What sits on top? Ollama, about 172,000 GitHub stars, just a wrapper around llama.cpp, LM Studio, closed source GUI desktop, Jan, open source alternative, KoboldCpp, RP and StoryFork, text-generation-webui, loads llama.cpp as one backend. The API surface: 2 binaries matter, llama-CLI, the reference llama-server, an HTTP server that speaks the OpenAI API /v1/chat/completions, streaming, function calling, drop-in swap for OpenAI.API_base. Adoption signals: repo star count, about 125,000, crossed 100,000. In March 2026, faster than PyTorch, faster than TensorFlow, Hugging Face, lists llama.cpp as a first-class engine in inference endpoints. Back to App 96, DeepSeek ships MIT weights, community Bartowski, publishes GGUF quantizations. Same day, you run llama-server -m deepseek-v4-pro.q4 km.gguf port 8080. Point any OpenAI SDK at localhost, codex compatible API, running locally. That's llama.cpp, from 0 to the engine that turns MIT weights into running on your desk. Same file, same binary, any machine. Subscribe, new from 0, every day.